Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is all the food chains and food webs begins with option A detritus, option B herbivores, option C green plants, option D omnivores. Our correct answer is C green plants. Our next MCQ is the change from bare rock or an open area is rapid, especially in the initial stages, and follows a series of recognizable and hence predictable stages. This process is called option A pioneers, option B zero seer, option C successions, option D secondary succession. Our correct answer is C succession. Our next MCQ is the decline in thickness of ozone layer is caused by option A increasing level of nitrogen oxide, option B decreasing level of oxygen, option C decreasing level of chlorofluorocarbons, option D increasing level of chlorofluorocarbons. Our correct answer is D increasing level of chlorofluorocarbons lead to decline in thickness of ozone layer. Our next MCQ is which one of the following is considered as a strong evidence of evolution? Option A embryology record, option B molecular record, option C biochemical record, option D fossils record. Our correct answer is D fossil record. Our next MCQ is structures found in different species which are believed to have a common evolutionary origin are called option A homologous organs, option B analogous organs, option C vestigial organs, option D fossilized organ. Our correct answer is A homologous organs. Our next MCQ is which one of the following is X-linked trait? Option A male pattern baldness, option B diabetes mellitus, option C hemophilia, option D erythroblastosis fetalis. Our correct answer is C hemophilia. Our next MCQ is a character determined by three alleles is option A human skin color, option B human blood group, option C human eye color, option D human Rh factor. Our correct answer is B human blood group. Our next MCQ is the total number of genes in a population is called option A gene pool, option B allele pool, option C genome, option D genomic library. Our correct answer is A gene pool. Our next MCQ is which one of the following is a branch of biology used for identification and interpretation of fossils? Option A evolution, option B paleontology, option C zoogeography, option D biodiversity. Our correct answer is B paleontology. Our next MCQ is out of the given options choose the one which shows the structures found only in plants. Option A vacuole, chloroplast, ribosomes, option B chloroplast, microtubule, peroxisomes, option C chloroplast, cell wall, vacuole, option D chloroplast, cell wall, mitochondria. Our correct answer is C. Our correct answer is C chloroplast, cell wall, vacuole. Our next MCQ is presence of large central vacuole is the characteristics of option A prokaryotes, option B protists, option C fungi, option D plants. Our correct answer is D plants. Our next MCQ is, the basic structure of plasma membrane is provided by option A, proteins, option B, cholesterol, option C, cytoskeleton, option D, phospholipids. Our correct answer is D, phospholipids.